Do you ever find rocks and pebbles, like interesting shapes that you just have to have and you put in your pocket and you keep them? Well, I have a whole collection of rocks too, and I'd like to make art with them. My name is Patti Rokus with rockartcamp.com, and I want to show you another way you could do rock art. And I came up with this idea. What's this, you say? It's just stick people or line art. And if you put a few rocks on the line art, it looks like this. Let me show you. So these are just some favorite rocks and pebbles I found, and I draw the arms and legs to make the family. Now what's so fun about this is you can either draw it yourself, or you can print out my little template here and then just put your own rocks on there and see what your little family looks like. Okay, I hope you'll join us at rockartcamp.com for a ton of fun, because we make cats, dogs, puppies, kitties, birdies.